good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are calling in from. Let's get the ball rolling. So we don't have any news to worry about going forward this morning. We had unemployment and final GDP come out earlier. So kind of a mixed bag, a little bit of both bearish and bullish news release. So looking at the chart, we obviously had the most ridiculous sell-off I've seen in quite some time yesterday in the afternoon. So we formed a nice breaker coming out of that. So that's what I have framed up right now. I'm bearish for that reason. I want to see price continue to respect bearish. Right now I have marked out the London low, sell side, and then just the low from yesterday. Sell side liquidity. And then right below that on a daily time frame chart, this is a daily fair value gap. So this low that I have marked out, this third black line on my chart here, daily fair value gap. If I go even to like a 2-day chart or a 3-day chart, it's the same low right here that also leads to an inefficiency. So I like that for our potential kind of longer term targets and higher time frame draw and liquidity. So let's see if we can find a setup here. We just well, we're in the macro, about 5 minutes into the macro so far. Still kind of just waiting for that displacement. Obviously, looking at this since opening bell, which was right here, right where my cursor is. This was opening bell. Price shot up, obviously to kind of displace back down. So, I mean, if somebody was feeling really, I guess just willing to put risk on right away, an entry could have been here, obviously. But so far, we've just kind of been seeing this chop so far. So I don't really feel like I've missed the boat all that much. I still would like to see a little bit clearer displacement to the downside. So kind of just waiting on that. Looking at these other indices, we do have some SMT that formed with Dow Jones. Dow Jones put in a new high, taking out the unemployment claims data high. So we took that out. Oops, that'll be fine. And we did not do that on either of these other indices. So we got SMT present there, and as of right this very moment, I'm anticipating the draw to be lower. Right here, opening range. Well, not opening range low. I take that back. This is the data low from the news release this morning, but it also is equal lows here. So if I go up to like a 15-minute chart, we got equal lows right underneath of that. So just looking for an opportunity to get involved to go target that. Jumping up on our time frames here. I like this 3-minute. If we leave this 3-minute gap open. My only worry is that it might just go and it won't really give us an opportunity for that. It's kind of my only worry. But yeah, that's my bias as of right now, guys. Bearish. Yeah, I'd probably just do some light risk, like just one contract, which honestly is probably what we should be using anyway at this point in the year. So I'm gonna take an entry off this fair value gap. We just broke structure. I want to get short inside this gap, kind of retesting the low end of this order block, guys. Just going to have my stop up here, I guess. 24, 25 point stop roughly. Take it down to there, kind of short term. We'll see if we can get some follow through. I'll manually manage it and just see if we can, see how big of a run we can get out of it. Maybe we'll just see price just melt like it did yesterday with zero resistance. There we go. I just got tagged in, guys. Just in one contract, taking it to the downside again. For those of you guys that just are hopping on, I'm liking bearishness, continued bearishness from this breaker that was put in at the end of yesterday. I will go risk free, I guess, once we tap into this FVG right here. Nice reaction so far. Let's see if we get some push. By a hair. There we go. All right, guys. Yeah, stick to the plan. I'm gonna go risk free. The very last inefficiency on this leg before it took some internal liquidity here, I suppose. But I'm viewing this as equal lows to be taken out. So again, I mean, close partial, do whatever you want. My plan is just to watch this, and I'm gonna make a judgment call. I'm just gonna see how we react at these lows. Carl's out. It's teasing the TP I want. Nice win. Couldn't hold off. I understand completely, man. I understand. Mike's out. Done for the day. Peace out. Abdul Rahman. See, this is when trading's the best. 7 minutes, 10 minutes in and out. We knew December couldn't keep us away forever. All right, guys. I'm watching this candle close. I'm gonna go to the 30-second chart. Oh, I'm already on 30-second chart. I'm gonna go to 1 minute. All right, I'm just gonna keep holding for now. Come to daddy. Honestly, fuck yeah, let's do this. Wee! Wee! Oops. We'll go to above consequent encroachment. All right, I got this, my first TP all secure. And opportunity to keep her going. Bobby, they have a find that gorilla that escaped from the zoo and punched you in the eye. All right, guys, I just got tagged out in profit, but below TP1. Nice. All right, good deal, guys. Well, enjoy the rest of your guys this Thursday. I'm glad we could get back in green for the week, and we'll look to finish strong tomorrow, guys. But enjoy the rest of your guys this Thursday. If you need anything, reach out. I'm not trading PM session today, but yeah, if you guys are and you want me to take a peek at something or you want to share your ID inside the Discord, feel free to do that. But otherwise, yeah, enjoy your guys this Thursday. I will see you guys on the session tomorrow morning. Peace out, everybody.